if we have two rational numbers such as 3 by 5 and minus 4 by 7. This minus sign may be taken in numerator or in denominator, no matter. Then what will happen? We have to do multiply 3 by 5 multiplied by minus 4 by 7. What we will get? 3 by 5 into minus 4 in numerator and 7 in denominator. What happens? Minus sign will come first, 3 into 4 and 5 into 7. That is equal to minus 12 by 35. This is also a rational number. Means what I want to say, if these two numbers, one be positive rational and other the negative rational number, even the multiplication of the two will be done same type as it was both positive. Now here, during dividing, what happened? 3 by 5, it will make into 1 by minus 4 by 7. Same way, what happened? 3 by 5 into minus 7 by 4. That is minus 3 into 7 by 5 into 4. That is minus 21 by 20. So no effect if two rationals, one positive, one negative, be multiplied or be divided one by the other, the sign will get as it is. The number what we get finally will be positive or negative. Next, for commutative property of multiplication, same way we will take two rational numbers, P by Q and R by S. If we multiply it, P by Q into R by S, this is same as equal to R by S into P by Q. Means no matter of any difference changing the rational first or second. What we want to take first, what we want to take second, no matter, it will give the same result. And P into R by Q into S is same as R into P by S into Q. No matter. If you take some rational number like 4 by 7 into 2 by 5. Multiply it, 4 into 2, numerator to numerator, it will give you 8, denominator to denominator, 7 into 5, 35. And if you do like this, 2 by 5 first, into 4 by 7, even you will find 2 into 4 that is 8, 5 into 7 that is 35. No matter, both are the same rational numbers. Okay. Now, I will tell you associative property of multiplication of rationals. Here you will have to take three rational numbers. First I will take you in the form of P by Q to make an equation. P by Q into R by S into what you may take, any more number, L by T. Now, associative means if we multiply this by R into by S first, after that T by L by T, or you multiply P by Q into L by T first and then R by S, it will make no difference. Just like as in commutative. So, it will make you P by Q into R by S into L by T. Multiply all the denominators together and all the numerators are together. You will get P into R into L by Q into S into T. But after that, we will take same these property, multiplication over addition. Up to here, we were talking about multiplication of two rational numbers. बिल्कुल micro थे. Now we will move to micro. One rational number will be multiplied by the sum of two rational numbers or subtraction of two rational numbers. How a rational number will be distributed over both together, we will see it. Let P by Q is one rational number, R by S is second rational number, and L by T is third rational numbers. And we have to multiply P by Q into R by S plus L by T. Then what we have to do? This P by Q will be distributed over these both R by S and L by T. That is P by Q into R by S plus sign comes P into L by Q into T in this way. एक बात ध्यान रखो तुम लोग, जैसे हम इसके पहले बतलाए हैं रेशनल नंबर्स का गुणा किया जाना, दो रेशनल्स को आपस में न्यूमरेटर टू न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर टू डिनोमिनेटर गुणा करते हैं, तो सेम चीज आ जाती है यहां पर. लेकिन अगर कहीं ऐसा किया तुमने कि दिस P बाई Q को R बाई S में गुणा कर दिया और L बाई T में गुणा नहीं किया, कैसे? नहीं, सपोज एक मिस्टेक मैं बता रहा हूं, क्या मिस्टेक बच्चे करते हैं. हियर P बाई Q इंटू R बाई S प्लस L बाई T, तुमने क्या कर दिया फट से, P बाई Q इंटू R बाई S प्लस L बाई T. ऐसा बच्चे कर जाते हैं. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, दिस P बाई Q इज टू बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ओवर बोथ R बाई S and L by T, but you have not distributed it. You have multiplied only P by Q to R by S and not to L by T. Thus, this multiplication process over addition of two rationals not completes. This is the major mistake what childs do. ऐसी गलती नहीं किया जाना चाहिए. इसको इस एडिशन के ऊपर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होना चाहिए. ओके, अब हम एक न्यूमेरिकल इसके ऊपर लेंगे. लिसन हियर, तुम्हें ये 3 रेशनल नंबर्स मिले हैं, 4/3, जिसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है 1/2 प्लस -7/5। मैंने जानबूझ करके यहां माइनस साइन लिया है, जिससे तुम्हें दिखा सकें कि प्लस और माइनस हो जाने से क्या प्रभाव पड़ता है। तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, 4/3 into, first you have to add these two, whatever there is in bracket, ब्रैकेट के भीतर जो नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं उनको पहले सॉल्व कर लेना चाहिए। अब यहां देखोगे 2 और 5 का एलसीएम, 2 और 5 का एलसीएम निकालना पड़ेगा। लेकिन मैं पहले क्लास में बता चुका हूं कि जब दो संख्याओं को ऐसा हो कि को प्राइम नंबर हो, को प्राइम नंबर का मतलब मैंने समझाया था, इन दोनों नंबर्स के बीच में कॉमन फैक्टर ओनली एट द वन, ओनली एट द वन, 1 from 2, 1 from 5, only 1 is the common integer, then no matter of LCM, you multiply both the two, what you will get here, 10, 5 into 2, 10. Now divide this 10 by 2, what you will get, 5. This plus and just small bracket will open, this minus, this plus will make it minus. Now divide 10 by 5, what you will get, 2. 2 multiplied by 7, that will give you 40. Now 5 minus 14 means -9. 4/3 into -9/10. Same multiplication of two rationals when one is positive and another is negative. Then what will happen? -4 into 9 upon 3 into 10. You may cancel 3 into 9, 3 3 ja 9, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. You may cut off, or you don't want, you multiply both. 4 9 ja -36 upon 30. After that you may divide it by 2, by what you know, -18 by 15, or 6 से डिवाइड कर दो, 6 से, 6 6 जा 36, 6 5 जा 30, -6/5. So this is the multiplication of 3 rational numbers. So it gives you a rational numbers. Now if you take this combination in other way to prove the associative law, 4/3 into 1/2 plus -7/5, then what? You may take it how? 4/3 into 1/2 plus 4/3 into -7/5. You do like this. What will you get? 4/6 plus 3 5 ja 15, and this minus will make what? -28. This minus this plus will make it -28/15, 4/6. 6. You may solve it by LCM. What you will get? 30 and the LCM of 6 and 15. 6 5 ja 30, 5 4 ja 20, 15 2 ja 30, 28 into 2 56. That will give you minus 36 by 30. That is same thing, minus 6 by 5. Thus both are the same, means associative law. Okay.